Hello everyone, this is my art invitation activity. So I have a box, paper towel, washable markers, pipette, two pipettes, a spoon, empty glass and bottle with the water. This art activity, I will offer children to draw something on the paper towel, then put it in the box and add the water and see what will happen. I use these materials because they are not expensive, easy to find at home, multi-purpose and reusable. I think that this activity is interesting for children. It's multi-purpose and creative. It's easy to prepare and to settle, and it also gives children an opportunity to understand that like paper towel we usually use for hand drying or wiping something, but now we will use it in a different way. And there are lots of materials so children can experiment with them whatever they like. Children can express themselves in the way they like, and they can draw on the paper whatever they like. They can just play with the water or just with the pipette or the spoon. So the concepts that the children will learn at this activity are colors, lines, because while they are drawing, the teacher can say what kind of lines they are drawing and give some comments. Shapes, when the child draws some shape, teacher can name this shape or say on which shape it looks like. And texture, because it's a paper towel, it's not just a regular paper, it has a different texture, interesting for children to touch and to draw on it. And this activity also have lots of cross-curriculum learning opportunities. For example, earning mathematical skills. Teacher can count markers while the child is learning. Science, children will observe how markers, how the color interacts with the water. Also math concepts like measuring with the pipette, see how much they can get, counting how many pipettes. If they grab the water, we can count 1 pipette, 1 little transfer, 2 pipettes, 3 pipettes, count how many pipettes they put in the tray. Or when they put the water, for example, in the glass, we can count how many glass of water can fit in the bottle, while they're transferring the water in the cup. We can count how many cups are here. Children will use their fine motor skills while operating a spoon or pipettes or the brush. Children can use their creativity because they can draw whatever they like on the paper, and then they can decide whether they would like to try to put the water and see what happens, or they don't want to check what will happen. And if they decide to put the water, they can choose whether they want just to fill the water first and put the paper towel in there, or if they want to put the paper towel first and then use the equipment, use the brush to put the water and then put it on the paper towel and see what happens, or they want to use the pipette while grabbing the water and put it on the paper towel, or the larger pipette, or the spoon, or maybe they want to use the cup, so they can put the full cup and then put it on their paper towel. This activity will also develop their language skills as well, because while they are learning, they can speak, they can express and tell what they're doing, and the teacher can also ask open-ended questions like, oh, what are you drawing? How does it look? What does it look like for you? What do you feel when you're drawing? And during this activity, children will use their social skills, because other children can come and see what they are doing, and they might ask what you're doing, so they might start a conversation, or they can teach other children what to do and explain what they did. Children will use their social skills as well.